Nothing says welcome to fall quite like a beautiful wreath on your front door. Whether you're looking for something traditional, rustic, or modern, a fall wreath can add that perfect touch of seasonal charm to your home. But with so many options out there, how do you create a wreath that stands out? Stay tuned, because I'm about to share some stunning fall wreath ideas that will bring warmth and style to your entryway. What are some classic elements to include in a fall wreath? A classic fall wreath is all about capturing the essence of autumn through its elements. By incorporating a few timeless materials, you can create a wreath that embodies the season's beauty and warmth. Autumn leaves. Use a variety of colored leaves: red, orange, yellow, and brown. These can be real, faux, or even fabric, giving your wreath a lush and full appearance that reflects the changing season. Pinecones and acorns. Incorporate natural elements like pinecones and acorns. These add texture and a rustic feel, making your wreath feel more organic and grounded in nature. Berries and twigs. Add clusters of berries and twigs to bring in pops of color and a touch of whimsy. These elements not only enhance the wreath's texture, but also give it a lively, dynamic look. If these classic wreath ideas are inspiring you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love seasonal decor. How can you make a modern and stylish fall wreath? Not all fall wreaths have to be rustic and traditional. If your style leans more modern, there are plenty of ways to create a sleek, stylish wreath that still celebrates the season. Geometric frames. Use a geometric wire frame instead of a traditional round one. This gives the wreath a contemporary look, while still allowing you to incorporate fall elements like eucalyptus or pampas grass. Monochrome palettes. Opt for a monochrome color scheme, such as all white, gold, or metallics. This minimalist approach makes your wreath stand out in a sophisticated, elegant way. Asymmetrical design. Create an asymmetrical wreath by decorating just one side of the frame with flowers, leaves, or berries. This modern twist adds visual interest and gives your wreath a unique, artistic feel. Loving these modern takes on the traditional wreath? Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more stylish and creative decor ideas. What are some DIY wreath ideas that are easy and budget-friendly? You don't need to spend a lot of money to craft a beautiful fall wreath. With a few simple supplies and a bit of creativity, you can make a wreath that looks stunning and won't break the bank. Upcycled materials. Use old fabric scraps, burlap, or even sweaters to create a cozy, textured wreath. This not only saves money, but also gives your wreath a unique, handmade look. Dollar store finds. Grab supplies from your local dollar store, like faux flowers, ribbon, and wreath forms, to craft a budget-friendly yet beautiful wreath. Mix and match different elements to create a custom design. Nature's bounty. Take a walk outside and gather materials like twigs, leaves, and pine cones. These natural elements are free and perfect for creating a wreath that feels authentic and connected to the season. If you're all about DIY and saving money, check out the description for more budget-friendly fall decor ideas that you'll love. How can you personalize your fall wreath to reflect your home and style? Personalizing your wreath is a wonderful way to make it truly your own. By adding unique touches that reflect your home's style or your family's personality, you can create a wreath that's not only beautiful, but also meaningful. Monogram letters. Add a wooden or metal monogram letter to the center of your wreath. This personal touch makes the wreath feel custom and adds a sophisticated element to your entryway. Family heirlooms. Incorporate small heirlooms or items that have sentimental value, such as vintage brooches, keys, or fabric from a loved one's quilt. These details make your wreath one of a kind. Favorite colors. Use colors that match your home's exterior or interior design. Whether it's the color of your front door or a favorite shade that runs throughout your home, these hues will tie the wreath into your overall decor scheme. How would you personalize your wreath? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. What are some fall wreath ideas that incorporate non-traditional materials? Who says a wreath has to be made of leaves and flowers? Using non-traditional materials can give your fall wreath a creative twist that stands out from the rest. Feathers. Use feathers in warm autumn colors to add softness and movement to your wreath. This material is unexpected, but can add a luxurious, elegant feel to your design. Fruits and vegetables. Incorporate faux fruits like apples, pears, or even small pumpkins and gourds. This gives your wreath a harvest theme that's both festive and unique. Fabric and yarn. Wrap your wreath frame in cozy fabrics like plaid flannel or chunky yarn. These materials add warmth and texture, making your wreath feel inviting and perfect for the cooler months. For more creative and unexpected decor ideas, don't forget to like this video and explore the similar videos listed in the description below. How can you involve kids in making fall wreaths? Creating wreaths with kids is a fantastic way to get them involved in the fall festivities. It's fun, hands-on, and a great way to spend quality time together while making something beautiful. Handprint wreaths. Have kids trace their hands on fall-colored paper, cut them out, and arrange them on a wreath form. This creates a wreath full of little handprints, a personal and adorable decoration. Sticker decorations. Let kids decorate a simple wreath base with fall-themed stickers. It's an easy and mess-free way for them to contribute, and they'll love seeing their work displayed on the door. Nature walk wreath. Take the kids on a nature walk to collect leaves, acorns, and small twigs. Then help them glue these items onto a wreath base to create a nature-inspired design. It's a wonderful way to combine outdoor exploration with creativity. If you enjoyed these family-friendly wreath ideas, be sure to share this video and inspire other families to get creative this fall. So there you have it. 6 creative and beautiful ways to design fall wreaths that will make your home feel warm and welcoming this season. From classic designs to modern twists, and even projects to do with the kids, there's a wreath idea here for everyone. Remember, the best wreaths are the ones that not only look good, but also reflect your personal style and the things you love about fall.